My name is Stacey and I'm the mum to Liam, who's 15, who sustained a brain injury from a car accident last year in August.
I'm Kerry and I'm Liam's carer.
Kerry had just actually popped in one day for a coffee just to have a visit with us, and I had my case manager here and we were discussing our care options because we had interviewed quite a few people but no one quite fit. And Kerry and Liam were out the back just playing and laughing, and I just asked, could we maybe look at Kerry coming on board, and here we are. It's really important in our family now because it allows me just to be mum again rather than mum and carer. Liam can't be left alone, so she will sit with him and play games and PlayStation. Cooking, loves cooking, so lots of things that Kerry helps us with. We had gone through other agencies but we just didn't quite meet the right person, and then we got introduced to Program and we met Robert. He came to our house, and Program's great because they interview on what they require, so licenses and insurance and things like that, and then we meet the person on what we require. So we really want someone who understands that he has a brain injury and that he can rehabilitate, and to make sure that their personality fits in with our family and they're going to be a good fit for Liam and they understand what Liam needs because everybody is different. Kerry and Liam get along really well. They're like buddies, they're best friends. She's like family now, so we love her.